Hi friends, it's Lele, Mr. Kind's very good friend. It's so nice to see you all again. Today we're going to learn the dance moves to the Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Let's go!
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
We're going to start by using our legs. We're going to step our right foot forward, our left foot forward, our right foot back, and then our left foot back. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go forward and back. One more time. Forward and back. Great job. Now I think we can add our arms. Are you ready? Amazing. Our right arm's going to go forward. Our left arm's going to go forward. Then we're going to bring it down by our side and down by our side. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go forward, forward, side, side. Great job. I think we can try it with our feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left. One more time. And down by our side. Excellent job. Now from here, we're going to put our hands on our hips. Our left leg's going to go out to the side and center. Our right foot's going to go out to the side and center. Amazing. Let's try that from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left. One more time. Very good. We go out and center. Great job, everyone. You're doing such a fantastic job. Now, from here, very easy. We're going to step our left foot forward. We're going to scoop our arms up to the sky. Bring our legs together. We're going to jump as high as we can and clap. Can you do that again for me? We're going to scoop up, bring them together, jump and clap. Wow, you guys are amazing. Should we try it from the beginning without music? Fantastic. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left. One more time. Great job. We go out and center, scoop and in, jump and clap. Give yourselves a big round of applause. That was fantastic. Let's try it one last time, but this time I want to see your beautiful smiles. Are you ready? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go forward and back. Forward and back. We go to the side, scoop it around and jump. Let's do it once from the top without music. Are you ready? Let's go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go forward and back. One more time. Forward and back. We go side, center, scoop it up and clap. Well done, everyone. I think you're ready to try it with music. Are you ready? Let's go. Ready, everyone? Forward, back. Forward and back. To the side, center, scoop up and clap. One more time. Great job, everyone. And side, center, scoop up and clap. Well done, everyone. That was fantastic. Are you ready to try it one more time? Are you sure? Amazing. Now this time I want to see beautiful big smiles and I want you to give it all your energy. Are you ready? Let's go!
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday we jump.
Amazing job, everyone. You have done such fantastic work today. I hope to see you again for Mr. Kind's dance tutorials. Goodbye.